sprint round the other side. So we can get the oh yes, the I'm going for it as well. Give us a bit of a guided tour down the Operation Focus now if you want.
It's alright, I've been on. I'm recording anyway.
Right. So here we go in the flight deck. I'll come out so you can go in. 15 miles, that's alright. Yeah, I'll go back to this one. Right, just leave that little door now, and that's it. I'll do it again here. Right. There. Living Zoo Kilo. With anti-leak measures and the DVs here, set up by Neil. And also the P2 column firmly in place at long last. Cleaning continues. It's Operation Tidy Up. It's happening. Sprucing up left, right and centre. Observe the forward loo. Still need attention. I've still got to paint the pedestal of the lab there, but we've got most of the bits and pieces working in here. We've got the, we'll put some of this on the background. We'll put some poo on in a moment with, start. High-tech tape recorder here. So start everywhere here. But the, on it. Pop the signs on. Started work on the doors here as well. Just got to unmask all these bits and pieces. Oh, galley's come up a treat here. Let's see if I can get anything the worktop light works on it. Then further down. See if there's any light in there. Only very dim on the nearest one. Revised tail livery.
look, they were. Yeah, really slow.
Right, it's about 7:35 p.m.
PM?
and here we are, admiring Zulu Kilo, all lit up here. I mean, it's the sky as well, it's really nice bit, so the beacons on, ready for service. Not.
Starting sometime this season.
Right, let's take a look. Yeah. Right, bring all the lights up. Right, here we go.
Right, lights are coming on. Now we forward vestibule, lead vestibule. Right, forward aisle, forward pantry coming on. Side lights forward pantry.
Excellent. And now for the flight deck.
Welcome to my flight deck. Oh. Try the video camera with that on.
Right, I don't know if you're going to be able to hear this, video fans, but here we go. Alright, put it next to the mic, okay. So I felt the headphone vibrate, so I think it did it anyway. Do it one more time and I'll listen in.
Right, let's put DVDs on.
So it came up, try again this side. Oh, I heard glide slope come on as well.
Oh, I didn't hear that before.
You can hear the tower in the background as well. There we go. That works more or less straight away, doesn't it? Well, that one did anyway.